I am creating this WordPress course with the beginner mind, so we will start from the very start. So what is WordPress? And the simple answer is, this is WordPress. Don't worry, in the next lecture I will teach you step by step how to install WordPress and how to access this dashboard. But right now, I'm just giving you a brief introduction to WordPress. So on the left hand side, you can see these options. And using these options, you can design and build your website. And when you start building your website, you can see the live changes in your website by right clicking here and then opening it in a new tab. So this is the current design of our website, and this is just a fresh WordPress I have installed. So you can see there is nothing on our website right now. So WordPress is a website builder tool, and it is an open source software that anyone can use to make any kind of website. It started out as a blogging platform in 2003, but soon transformed into a CMS. And later it transformed to a complete website building platform. And now famous and bigger brands are using WordPress for building and designing their websites and blogs. Now, how WordPress works. So WordPress is very easy to use, and once you learn WordPress, you will be able to create websites in minutes. You can create beautiful and professional website pages and website landing pages from here. And we will be discussing this in detail later in this course. You can create posts from here, and you can create different types of menus from here, like main menu, header menus, footer menus, and drop-down menus. If we open the popular website Amazon.com, so you can see here, this is the header menu. And if we scroll down, so this is the footer menu. And these are products listed on Amazon. Now let's say you want to create a website like Amazon. So the first thing is you need to study the features of this website. For example, when you click on a product here, then you can add that product into your shopping cart. Then you will provide your shipping address, and then you will proceed to the checkout where you will pay the bills using debit credit cards or PayPal or other payment options. And then your order will be placed on Amazon. Now if you want to add this same e-commerce functionality to your website on WordPress, so for this you will need to install plugins and widgets to enhance the functionality of your WordPress website. And then you will easily configure the plugin to make it work the way you want it. For example, for adding the e-commerce functionality or the online shopping features to a WordPress website, there is a famous plugin called WooCommerce. So here you will see this plugin option in your WordPress dashboard, and then when you want to add a new plugin, so you will click on add new here, and then you will search for the plugin here. So for demonstration, if I search here for WooCommerce, so I will write here WooCommerce. So you can see this is the WooCommerce plugin. Then we can install and activate this plugin from here. And after configuring this plugin, customer will be able to buy products online from our website. So we will be discussing all the things one by one in this course, and in the drop servicing section, we will be going through different things. So at the end of this course, you will have no difficulties in using WordPress. In the next lecture, we will discuss WordPress installation and web hosting.